since I've been crowned as Muchani Rojas 2023, I am filled with nothing but thankfulness and unforgettable memories. I thank God for all of His blessings and for showering me an amazing circle of support systems who never fail to uplift me. My sincere gratitude goes out to my family, especially to my nanay, mama, and tita for their support, effort, and sacrifices during my competition. To my friends and classmates, thank you for your words of encouragement and motivation. To my instructors, thank you for allowing me to join beauty pageants despite of our busy schedule. To my Elitista Circle of Models family, thank you for your support. To Sir Tom Fabula, that is always there to cheer me up. Thank you for believing in me and for guiding me towards His journey. To Ate Ivy, thank you so much for the advice and your patience during our sessions. To the organizers, production staff, and Blanc team who helped me seem even more beautiful and self-assured on stage, thank you. To our Barangay Council, our former SK Chairwoman, Honorable Cyril Anwilon, thank you for your support and assistance in giving me with everything I need. To our local government unit, headed by Mayor Dennis Sabsabato, Vice Mayor Rinaldo Pacho, and to all the Sangguniang Bayan members, thank you for your outstanding support in making this pageant an amazing experience for all of us. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the Rojaseños for all the cheers and support during my Muchan and Palawan journey. I hope I made everyone proud. To all the candidates tonight, you are all beautiful. Win or lose, always give thanks to the Lord. For the last time at the Almost Bright, I am Patricia Lauren Binunos, Muchana Rojas, and Muchana Palawan North 2023. Maraming salamat at mabuhay Bayan ng Rojas.